This video, learn how to make player dash. Using normal velocity event to do that. How to create dash animation. Let's get started. Let's open player controller script. Add on update event. Let's add new button for dash movement. Use input get key down. With any button you want. If button F is pressed, we will do player dash. Let's create a new void event player dash. First, we need a variable dash power to move in a short or long distance. With any values you like. Another variable dash direction. This will determine player will dash to left or right side. Now every time button dash is pressed, we call player dash event. As you know, when flip X is true, player face will on right side. If flip X is false, player face is on left side. In last video, we added component sprite renderer into a variable already. Let's check flip X value to see player face is heading to right or left side. If flip X is true, player face is on right side. If you call player dash right now, it will dash to right side. Dash direction will have value 10 to move player to right. Otherwise, if flip X is false, dash direction will have value -10 to move player to left. You can write it like this to save some lines of code. To move player, we will use velocity from rigid body. And we added component rigid body into a variable already. Dash is just a normal force to move player, so we can use velocity for it. It will be vector of dash direction to move player left or right, and multiply by dash power to move player in short or long distance. Let's set dash power public to edit it directly on editor. Press button dash. Player can move ahead in a short distance. You can adjust dash power to dash it farther. Adjust this value for a best result as you want. If player is moving, and you press button dash, nothing happened. Even you increase dash power to a very big number. The reason is, when pressed button left-right, to move player to right or left, velocity always is the same value, because movement left-right. To resolve, let's disable button left-right, while do player dash, add new variable is dashing. When player do dash, is dashing will be true. We will use this variable to disable button left-right. Go to button left-right to move player left-right. Button left-right can work only if player is not in dashing. Do the same for button left. We need to reset is dashing to false to enable button left-right after dash. Use wait for second, 0.1 second for dash duration. Event wait for second always come with yield return new. And yield return new must be inside enumerator event. Now to call event player dash, you must use start coroutine instead. After 0.1 second doing dash, let's stop dash movement. and enable button left right again by set is dashing to false. Save script. Let's test it. Player can do dash while moving now. But when player not moving and press button dash, player is still moving after dash finished. To resolve, after dash is finished, let's reset player velocity to 0 to stop movement. Or you can set velocity, same velocity value before doing dash. It will keep player moving smoother after. Move speed value will be walk speed or run speed. Test it again. Player can dash while he is moving, and can dash very well also when player is not moved. You can download this image free under video. Make sure it is set as Sprite 2D and UI. Filter, point no filter, to make its pixel better. And no compression, because this image is very small quality already. Now change it to multiply, to divide it into many sprites. Select Sprite Editor. On Slice menu, select Grid by cell count. It will be 1 row, and 7 columns for 7 sprites. Make sure you set Pivot to bottom, because player position at bottom. Click Slice. You can select each sprite now, with its origin position at bottom. Click Apply. This image turned into 7 sprites right now. Select all, and drop them into hierarchy to create dash animation. You can delete this object. We don't need it. Open Player Animator Controller. Add animation dash into. Rename it Player Dash. Dash is a non-loop animation, so make sure turn off loop option. Now back to our script. To play a non-loop animation, we just need to call event, prepare non-loop animation. You can watch again video, non-loop animation how to make it. It will disable all other loop animations. And play animation dash. If you press button dash, player can dash and play animation dash as well. It looks very cool. If you press button dash many times, it will dash continuously. To improve, let's set a cooldown for it. New variable can dash. Player dash only if variable can dash is true. Every time player dash, can dash value will be false, to stop dash again. When current dash is finished, you can add a wait time to reset variable can dash. Set it 1 second, or any values you want. Then set can dash value to true, to be able to do player dash again. When button dash is pressed, player dash only if variable can dash is true. Save your script. Now if you pressed button dash repeatedly, player can dash every 1 second only. Next video, we will add trail effect when player is dashing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to save this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.